Settle into a position that feels nurturing and comfortable for your body, whether you're sitting or lying down. Allow your eyelids to softly close, inviting your attention to gently turn inward. Begin to notice the natural rhythm of your breath, feeling the air as it moves in and out. With each inhale, sense the coolness entering your nostrils, and with each exhale, notice the warmth leaving your body. Take a slow, deliberate breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and sides expand, and then release it with a long, audible sigh. Let your shoulders drop as you do this. Repeat this once more. Inhale deeply, gathering up any tightness or stress you may be carrying, and exhale, letting it all melt away. As your breathing returns to its own steady pace, become aware of the support beneath you, the chair, the floor, or the bed. Feel the gentle pressure of your body against this surface, reminding you that you are safe and supported in this moment. Allow yourself to feel grounded, anchored to the present. As you begin to relax more deeply, notice any thoughts or inner voices that arise. Perhaps there's a part of you that wonders if you're doing enough, if you're where you're supposed to be, or if you've missed some important milestone that others seem to have reached. Without judgment, simply acknowledge these thoughts as they come. Take another slow, intentional breath in, gathering up any lingering expectations or worries, and exhale, letting them drift away with your breath. Bring your attention to the center of your chest, noticing any sensations there. Imagine that within you, there is a timeline, a collection of moments and milestones you once thought you'd achieve by now. These might be related to your career, your relationships, or simply a sense of security you hope to have. Observe these expectations with gentle curiosity, recognizing that they are just ideas, not rules you must follow. As you watch this inner timeline, allow it to slowly fade into the background, bringing your focus back to the steady rise and fall of your breath. Each inhale is a fresh beginning, and each exhale is a gentle release of what has passed. You are here, in this moment, connected to your breath and your body. Let yourself rest in this awareness, knowing that you are exactly where you need to be right now. As you continue to breathe naturally, let your awareness settle even more deeply into your body. Notice the subtle sensations, the gentle movement of your chest, the feeling of air passing through your nose, the way your body feels supported by the surface beneath you. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming more rooted, more present. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to the sensation of breathing, using your breath as an anchor to the present moment. Now, consider the idea that life is not a race with a finish line, but rather a journey that unfolds in its own unique way. Imagine your life as a garden, growing and changing with the seasons. Some times are for planting seeds, some are for tending to the weeds, and some are for quiet, unseen growth beneath the surface. There are moments of blossoming, and there are periods of waiting, where nothing seems to be happening on the outside, but important changes are taking place within. If you find yourself in a season of waiting or transition, remind yourself that this is a natural part of growth. It doesn't mean you're falling behind or missing out. It simply means you are in the midst of a process that is still unfolding. Breathe into this understanding, allowing it to bring a sense of ease and acceptance. With each inhale, Imagine drawing in patience and trust. With each exhale, let go of any pressure to be somewhere other than where you are. Repeat quietly to yourself, I am not behind. I am not late. I am arriving at my own pace, in my own time. Feel these words settle into your body, relaxing your shoulders, softening your jaw, and easing any tension you may be holding. Allow yourself to rest in this truth, knowing that your journey is uniquely yours, and that every step is meaningful, no matter how small it may seem. Let your breath continue to flow naturally, bringing your attention to the sensations in your body. Notice if there are any areas that feel tense or tight, and with each exhale, imagine sending your breath to those places, inviting them to soften and release. Remind yourself that it's okay to be a work in progress. You don't need to have everything figured out, and you don't need to meet anyone else's expectations but your own. Allow yourself the freedom to change your mind, to grow, and to evolve. There is no checklist you must complete to be worthy of rest or acceptance. As you breathe, feel the gentle movement of your body, the rise and fall of your chest, the subtle expansion and contraction with each breath. Let this rhythm remind you that you are alive, that you are here, and that you are enough just as you are. If thoughts arise about what you should be doing or where you should be, acknowledge them with kindness and let them pass by like clouds in the sky. Bring your focus back to your breath, to the feeling of being supported and grounded in this moment. Imagine a sense of warmth spreading through your body, starting at your chest and radiating outward, filling you with a sense of peace and acceptance. You are allowed to be exactly where you are without needing to justify it to anyone, including yourself. Let this feeling of permission settle into your bones, relaxing you even more deeply. With each breath, you are reminded that you are supported, that you are safe, and that you are right where you need to be. Allow yourself to simply be, without striving or reaching for anything more. Rest in the comfort of this moment, knowing that you are enough. As you continue to rest in this peaceful state, reflect on the journey that has brought you to this moment. Think of the challenges you have faced, the obstacles you have overcome, and the resilience you have shown even when you didn't realize it. Every twist and turn, every unexpected detour has shaped you into the person you are today. Give yourself credit for your strength and adaptability, for the ways you have navigated life's uncertainties. Breathe into this sense of accomplishment, allowing it to fill you with gratitude for your own perseverance. Remember that growth often happens in the quiet moments, in the spaces between achievements, when you are simply living and being. Trust that you are always moving forward, even when it doesn't feel like it. With each inhale, draw in a sense of possibility and hope. With each exhale, release any doubts or fears that may be holding you back. Remind yourself that you are allowed to take your time, to move at your own pace, and to honor your own needs. There is no rush, no deadline you must meet. Life unfolds in its own time, and you are exactly where you are meant to be. Let this understanding bring a sense of ease to your mind and body. Feel your muscles relax, your breath deepen, and your heart open to the present moment. You are not chasing after your life, you are living it fully and completely, right here and now. Allow yourself to savor this feeling of arrival, knowing that you are enough just as you are. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly, feeling the gentle rhythm of your breath as it moves through your body. Notice how each inhale brings in fresh energy, and each exhale releases what is no longer needed. Allow yourself to sink even more deeply into relaxation, letting go of any remaining tension or worry. Imagine that with every breath, you are filling your body with a sense of peace and calm. Let this feeling spread from your chest to your shoulders, down your arms, and all the way to your fingertips. Feel it move down your back, through your hips, and into your legs and feet. Your entire body is bathed in a sense of tranquility and ease. As you rest in this state, remind yourself that you are allowed to take up space, to rest, and to simply be. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. You are enough, just as you are, in this moment. If any thoughts or worries arise, acknowledge them with kindness and let them drift away, returning your focus to your breath. Imagine that each breath is a gentle wave, washing over you and carrying away any stress or tension. Allow yourself to be fully present, to savor the feeling of being supported and cared for. You are not alone. You are connected to the world around you, to the people who care about you, and to the deeper wisdom within yourself. Trust that you are on the right path, even if you can't see the destination yet. Allow yourself to rest in this trust, knowing that you are exactly where you need to be. As you begin to bring this practice to a close, take a few deeper breaths, filling your lungs completely and exhaling slowly. Notice how your body feels, perhaps lighter, more relaxed, or simply more at ease. Begin to bring gentle movement back into your body, wiggling your fingers and toes, rolling your shoulders, or stretching if that feels good. Take a moment to notice the sense of arrival you have cultivated, the feeling of being present and at home within yourself. Remind yourself that you are not behind, not late, and not missing out. You are living your life, moment by moment, exactly as you are meant to. Carry this sense of peace and permission with you as you move through the rest of your day or night. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes, bringing your awareness back to the room around you. Notice the sights, sounds, and sensations of your environment, and take a moment to appreciate the support and comfort you have given yourself. Remember that you can return to this feeling of presence and acceptance whenever you need it, simply by turning your attention inward and connecting with your breath. You are enough, just as you are, and you are exactly where you need to be. Take one final, deep breath, filling your body with gratitude and self-compassion. As you exhale, let go of any remaining tension, and step forward into your life with a sense of ease and confidence. You are not chasing after your life, you are living it fully and completely, right here and now.